Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So we playing Took Life World as you see, just normally, and the mom's cooking chickens like always. Then we're putting the chickens over here, and the mom's gonna call the kids. And let's start. Baby, let's go to eat. Wow, I'm not hungry, so let's eat. Okay. Ooh, chicken, my favorite. Let's eat it with our fish. Yum, yum, yum. And another one for the baby. Drink one and drink two. And we're gonna go to the mall today, guys. So, guys, we're gonna go to the mall and bring some stuff and bring some backpacks to go with us. So we're going to the mall, yay! So I'm gonna find my bag. Where's my bag? I don't know where I put it. Oh, it's up here. My bag is blue and I love blue. My childhood loves purple. Oh my child loves gray. Then we're gonna take some water. Then we're gonna go and make some food. Go and eat at the mall. When we get out of the mall, then we eat some food. Then we go back home. That sounds a nice video. Then we're going to the park. Then we go to the boba store. First, I'm gonna make um some. Ooh, how about some mashed potato with with uh with hot dog. Mashed potatoes with hot dogs sound amazing. So first we're gonna get the this take this and then we can take the potatoes. This is potato, not chicken nugget. You thought it's chicken nuggets, but it's wrong. But you can pretend it is chicken nugget, but it's not actually chicken nugget. It's potato, guys. Just believe me. So we have the potatoes, the fresh and normal potatoes been growing in here. First, we put this on one plate first. Then, oh, then we put this over here. Then we put our water bottle over here. Then we put the hot dog over here. Then we need a knife to cut the potato. Cut, cut, cut. This is where the chicken sits over there. Will they want to sit inside or outside? First, we putting the hot dogs into it. So we're gonna cook it first, so it can turn to mashed potato. I already mashed it all, but we had to make it hot. So when I'm done with another one, then I'll come back and look at it. It's better look nice. First, I will have. First, my kid will have a peanut butter sandwich. First, I need to go here. Then I need this three. It's not safe to hold the knife. So we're gonna use just two of these and we're gonna spread it in the bread. Spread it around, spread it around, spread it around, spread it around the bread. And we do bread, but I don't know we do now or not. So we're gonna need to find it at the fridge. Good. There's no bread. Okay, so I'm gonna go to the creative mode and use some bread. Some bread will mind 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So two of these here. So the bread, we're gonna put it back here, and the leftovers here. We're gonna mix it together to make some toast. And we need some. Then we gonna put the toast in our lunchbox. We have 300 lunchbox because I'm planning to get another baby. So he'll pick this lunchbox and I will pick this lunchbox. Then I'm gonna put both lunchbox down after some giraffes. Then I will put sandwich, then some other sandwich. Then we're gonna check the mashed potato. Ooh, the mashed potato look good and it's hot. So don't touch it yet, guys. Don't touch it when it's hot. Hot, 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 hot. Well, it's difficult because I'm holding four hands in a row. Because I'm holding four fingers. Now I'm holding three now. Put all these here. Oops. See. Now we're gonna put the mashed potato. Now we're gonna put the mashed potato on this. Now we're gonna cook it for a little bit long. When we pack's done, then it will be ready. Then first I have to clean the plates because it's everywhere and I don't like it when it's everywhere. It's stuck. Get it off here. There we go. Then we put two plates over here. Then I'll have a cafe. I like a cafe. First I'm gonna make a cafe. First, and I don't know what to put. Oh no, I forgot it. Sorry guys, so we're gonna go out shopping. Sorry guys, so we don't have any cafe, so we're gonna just drink some milk. Put and sit here and put some milk and put it back, and some little bit chocolate, the stickly chocolate. I have a sprinkle chocolate that is teeny tiny small. It's smaller than my piece of hair. It's more like my piece of hair. And it's so good. You can try it with you want. And you need this cup. Put this back here. Then we're gonna pack. You pack. All of us gonna pack, okay? Okay, mommy. We pack very fast. Oh my god. So I'm gonna pack first, and my son gonna watch some video games. I'm gonna put. I'm not gonna put all of these here. I'm just gonna put the book. First, I have to take this out. Then we're gonna take this book. Inside is a making food book, and we love it all. Then we're gonna go put it here. The book we're gonna put in here. First, we're gonna have a shower. There, and it's so many bubbly bubbles when we go inside. First, we can close it. By the way, first I'm gonna close it. Then I'm gonna shower. So I'm gonna put my bowl over here. Then I gonna yeah, first. Oh, sorry everybody. First I shower. Ready? Take off my. First I take off my clothes. Shower. Then I will shower. Shower. Then hang on the ear. No. Then I will shower. Then I will. It's raining. Oh, it's not raining. Let's wear this so no one can see my body. That is. Then we're gonna put my swimsuit over here. Then I'm gonna change, not wear the same clothes every day like always. I'm gonna change just for the one day we have. I really want to wear this too. Which one should I wear? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Checker, bagger, Micah, so. Would you humble Micah, mo? Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. So, guys, we're gonna try this on. I look like a student with this on. No, this is student. last time, so I can put my student costume over here and I'm gonna hold this, and I have this close. First I need the keys. Let's see the mashed potatoes is done or not. It's done. Now for my little kid. Then it's almost Halloween and it's next year. So I gonna so see you on the next episode. Bye.